Hello students, welcome to ShirtBack Academy. In our coding lesson today, we're going to be continuing in Module 1, Sequencing. Our puzzle today is going to be Spelling Bee. We're going to be starting our lesson from the code.org webpage. From their homepage, we're going to be clicking on Learn in the top left corner. On the next page, we're going to click on Grades K to 5, Learn More. Our lesson today is going to be in the Pre-Reader Express. We're going to click there, and our exercise is going to be number 6, Spelling Bee. Once we're ready, we're going to click on the number 1 and begin our lesson. We're going to watch our intro video to learn about the Spelling Bee activity.
This is the spelling bee level. Use the puzzle pieces to move the bee. As it moves, it'll collect letters to spell words. See if you can spell the word they give you in the box below the stage. But be careful. Moving the wrong direction will add letters that you don't want.
And here in our first puzzle, we're going to spell the word east. E-A-S-T. We're going to click OK and take a look over in the play space where our bee is. When we see our bee, we should be able to find the first letter, E. As we keep going, we can see the word, E-A-S-T. To make our bee spell the word, we have to code it. When we count our boxes, we see 4. We're going to bring over 4 right arrow blocks, 1 for each letter. Let's make sure our code is connected. Each time we hit our step, we see in the green box below that our word is being spelled out. E-A-S-T. Great job. We'll do the same thing in each of the following puzzles. Let's click Continue and move on to Puzzle 2. Here in Puzzle 2, it's asking us to spell the word south. S-O-U-T-H. Let's take a look in the play space and see if we can find the path to make the bee spell out the word. Do you see the word? When we count the blocks for south, we count 5. In our workspace, we already have 1 down arrow. We're going to bring over 4 more. There are 5 letters in the word south. We need 1 arrow for each letter. Let's make sure our code is connected. Now we're going to use our step. Let's look in the green box below and make sure that we're spelling the word correctly. S-O-U-T-H. Great job. Let's click Continue and move on to Puzzle 3. Here in Puzzle 3, it's asking us to spell the word west. W-E-S-T. We see in our workspace we have 1 left arrow block. Let's take a look over in the play space and see if we can find the letters for the word west. Do you see them? We found the letters for west. When we count our blocks, I count 4. In our workspace, we already have 1 left arrow. We're going to need to add 3 more. There are 4 letters in west. We need 1 arrow for each letter. Let's make sure that our code is connected. And when we hit run, we spell out the word west. Great job. Let's click Continue and move on to Puzzle 4. Here in Puzzle 4, it's asking us to spell the word north. N-O-R-T-H. Let's take a look over in the play space at the bee and see if we can find the letters. I found the word north. When I counted the blocks, I counted 5. I'm going to bring over 5 up arrow blocks, 1 for each letter in north. Let's make sure our code is connected, and we'll hit run. As our B goes up, we spelled out north. Great job. Let's click continue and move on to puzzle 5. Here in puzzle 5, our instructions are telling us to move the B east and then south to spell the word jump. East is the right arrow, south is the down arrow. Let's see if we can find the word jump over in the play space. I think I found it. I'm going to trace the word jump. As I trace the word, I see that the B has to go right 3 times and down once. Let's build our code. We're going to bring over 3 right arrow blocks and then 1 down arrow. Let's make sure our code is connected, and we're going to click run. As we use our step, we can see J, U, M, and when we go down, we get the last letter P. Good job. Well done, everybody. Let's click continue and move on to puzzle 6. Here in puzzle 6, they're asking us to move the B in one way and then another to spell the word code. Let's take a look in the play space and see if we can find the word code. C-O-D-E. Can you see the path? I think I found it. To spell the word code, first we're going to have to go right, up, and right. Let's build our program. First, we're going to bring over 2 right arrow blocks for the C and the O. Then we're going to bring over an up arrow for the letter D and another right arrow for E. Let's make sure our code is connected, and then we're going to hit run. You guys are really awesome spellers. Let's click on continue and move on to puzzle 7. Here in puzzle 7, they're asking us to move the B and spell the word debug. Debug is spelled D-E-B-U-G. Let's see if we can find the word in the play space. I think I found the path. We can see the B goes to the right, down, and to the right. The first part, the B is going to have to go to the right 2 times. We're going to bring over 2 right arrow blocks and then 2 down arrow blocks. To finish our code, we must bring over 1 final right arrow. Let's make sure that our code is all connected, and we're going to use the step button to walk through the letters. We go right, down, and right again. No bugs in that program, guys. Great job. 2 more puzzles. Let's finish strong. Here in puzzle 8, they're asking us to spell the word above. A-B-O-V-E. Let's go over to the play space and see if we can find the word. Let's trace the path. We can see the B must go down, right, down, right. Let's build our program. To start, our B must go down 2 times. One for the letter A and one for the letter B. Then we'll bring over a right arrow for the letter O, a down arrow for V, and a right arrow for E. Let's double check our program and make sure they're all connected. When we use the step button, we can see that our B is following the path, and we're spelling our word. Great job. Final puzzle. Here in puzzle 9, they're asking us to spell the word below. B-E-L-O-W. Let's go over to the play space and see if we can find the word. We can see that the B must go right, and up 2 times. Let's see if we can build our program. To start, we're going to use a right arrow for the letter B, an up arrow for E, and then we're going right and up 2 times. Let's double check our code, double check to the play space, and we'll hit run. Go B-E-L-O-W. Below. Great job, everybody. Congratulations, we completed the Spelling Bee lesson. You did a great job. That was a fun activity. In our next lesson, we're going to continue with Module 1. If you have any questions about any of the lessons in this video, please find the right time spot in the video and review that section. We'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep on coding.